Good afternoon, shabby chic lovers. I'm so excited to share with you another kit. This is from our Chanajashi store, craftycity.com. So I hope that you purchase this kit because it is amazing. And I'm not even playing. Of course, all her kits are amazing, but this one, since I'm a photographer, this one totally screams vintage photography and shabbiness all in one kit. Okay, so the paper collection that you're going to get in here is a full paper set, 12 by 12, and you is called Life Stories by Minte. Absolutely stunning graphics. Really, really stunning. I'm not even going to lie. So let's take a look at it. So on your first page right here, you have these cute little vintage cameras in here. You have lots of shabby-licious, yummy flowers. I love the bingo card, the clocks, and of course the vintage typewriters. Just beautiful. Love everything about this. I love the little door on there. Really, really super pretty. I love the linen doily in the background. These papers are just, I can't even say how beautiful this is. I don't even know if this is doing it justice, but I'm going to go over here slowly so you all can see each little bit of this yumminess, guys. I love the little film strip right here. I love the distressed wooden table. That's really beautiful, or wooden flooring. Right underneath here, you have another vintage typewriter, again with another lace doily on here. Love the bingo cards. Absolutely amazing, guys. Really, really beautiful. Look at that. And then this is the page opposite of that. I love the distressed flaking paint. That's really beautiful. And of course, you always have layers and layers on top of paint. And I love how they show that through here with the pink and the green and, the white color. Really beautiful. Here's another one. Another gorgeous lace doily. And this one has little vintage cameras and clocks. Just gorgy, guys. I don't even know if you can get any prettier than that. And then again, we have another little vintage wooden box below here. Really pretty colors. Just stunning. Stunning, stunning. And then we have this beautiful wallpaper with the distressed writing underneath it. And then on opposite of that paper is this really pretty marble look right here. Love that. That's so unique. Then again, we have another floral paper right here, this time with the gold underneath, and again, still the vintage writing. Really pretty. And I love these little French vintage doors. That's really pretty. I love the doorknobs too. I mean, that is so cool. And I like how they have the little mail slot. That's really neat. And then opposite of that page, or actually not opposite of that page, the next page you get your 3x4 cut-aparts. Love those. And then the opposite of those cut-aparts would be journaling cards. And I love how they have the different types of vintage photos, frames. Really cool. Anyway, this just screams absolute shabby yumminess. Love, love, love. And then you'll get these, I think it's called Scrapinik, Capture the Moment, and that's exactly why she called that this kit the Capture the Moment kit. So you get this little decorative chipboard. Then you also get these little 4 tiny vintage cameras. Aren't they cute? And then also you're going to get these gorgeous Luxe Prima flowers from the Wild and Free collection that absolutely go amazing with this kit. And then you get another Prima collection. And what I love about this is that it has a foliage that comes right in there with it. So I love that. She really did a beautiful job matching everything up. And then you get these large black tag albums. So this is going to be pretty cute. It's going to work really nicely. You got lots to work with here. She's also including a Zig glue pen. So that's pretty cool. Let's see. It says it's a 2-way. I don't know what they mean by that. But we'll figure that out later. And then also you're going to get a Prima chalk ink in here. This one is pastel brown, but if she runs out of the pastel brown, she'll definitely put in a complementary color in here, okay? You'll also get this beautiful lace right here. Is that not gorgeous? Love, love, love that. And then of course, you're going to get some beautiful matching seam binding ribbon. This one is cream and brown. Love, love. And then she said that these are the Prima twines, I guess that's what you would call it. That's really cute. And then I love how she included this little Prima globe on top, so you could just put it right on there for the camera. That's so cute. And then you get this chipboard camera. And this is not too small by any means. You could totally fit a 4x6 photo on here. So this is 8 by 6.5. So you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of these. So this is going to be really awesome. So basically, I will say this, before I go live, I am going to paint my edges along here, and I'm going to do it black, I believe, I think. I don't know. I'm not 100% sure. I might do some sort of distressed flaky look. I have no idea. But anyway, I always try to do that first. So if you want to join in along with us and, you know, work on this kit as well, I would love for you to join us on our Facebook group. My Facebook group is Salty Beach Scrapper, and also Crafty City is Shabby Paper Hub. Okay, so I can't wait to see you all there. Guys, don't forget to visit our China store, craftycity.com, and check out the Capture the Moment kit. All right, I will have all the links down below, guys. Hope you have a wonderful and fabulous day. Bye, y'all.